Android, the modern operating system made for and used by billions. If you're not already using it, you are missing out on a lot of things, my friend. Android has come a long way, from the very famous gingerbread to the latest Android 12. It is built by thousands of engineers working day and night tirelessly. This guy being one of them. Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Gaurav and you are watching 100 GB, where we talk about stuff. So it just happened that a few months back Google sent me this cute little package in the celebration of the launch of Android 12, and we're gonna be opening it up today. And by the way, if you haven't used Android 12, just give it a try. It is like a very sweet operating system. Without wasting any time, let's open it up. Okay, what all stuff do we have over here? First is this kind of welcome message. On one side we have obviously the Android 12 branding, and on the other side it says, "Thanks for being the best part of our Android adventure each year. Congrats on launching Android 12." Okay, so the first item we have over here is the Android branded cap. Oh yeah, and you know what is this for? Oh yeah, do I look like an Android gangster? Do I, Nidhi?
Yes.
So what is this for, if you ask? Say this.
It's very cold.
Okay, now that you are back, let's take a look at the next one. Okay. Wow, just look at that. This is Android branded cards. Hey guys, I wanted to take a quick pause. So if you've watched this video this far and you are liking it, why not subscribe to the channel? And I would also request you to please hit that like button right away. I give you 5 seconds to subscribe and like. Just do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are back. Okay, the next item that we have is a lamp. So this is kind of a very funny and unique lamp. We need to expand it like this. Okay, and this has a solar panel on top of it so that it can charge using the solar energy. That is about it. Let's see how to turn it on. Ooh. Now you see what this is all about. Now let's take a look at the last and the final item. This seems like a mat kind of thing. which is obviously Android branded. Okay. Oh man. Okay, this is not meant to be a blanket, but in case I do want to use it, I can. Okay, so what is this and this for, if you ask? Take a look at that. Hey guys, I forgot to mention one thing. So if you guys haven't figured it out by now, that this theme is actually adventure or camping. So actually all of the stuff that you see in this package actually helps you while you are camping, be it the cards, be the cap, be it the mat or this lamp. So all of this is adventure theme, just FYI. It's very cold these days, no? Where are my cards? So folks, this was it for the video. I'm not very sure if you guys enjoyed it, because this is something I haven't tried before. You know, just I'm trying out stuff. I mean, if I talk about stuff, then why not try GBs of stuff as well? So again, if you like the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I just figured out, if it is dark outside, it lights up when you press the power button. But if there is light already, it's not dark, and there is something which is kept on top of it. So probably there is some light sensor on top of it. So if there is light outside, it doesn't turn on itself.
Bun.
अब मैं दिखाऊंगा इसको ना ऐसे।
क्या ड्रामे करी जा रहे हो?
क्या कौन सा काम?